Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is circuit. So, what exactly is a circuit? Well, as a B2 level noun, a circuit essentially means a circular path or, more commonly, an electrical route. Think of it as a closed loop through which something travels. In its most common usage, it refers to an electrical circuit, the pathway for electrons to flow in order to power our devices. But the word circuit can also describe a route or journey that starts and ends in the same place. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for circuit. A close synonym is loop. For example, the race car driver completed the loop around the track in record time. Another synonym is path. The path around the garden provided a pleasant stroll. We can also use the word route. The delivery driver followed a specific route to ensure timely deliveries. How about cycle? The washing machine completed its wash cycle. A final synonym could be course. The airplane followed a predetermined course to its destination. Now, let's explore antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym for circuit, in its electrical sense, could be break. A break in the wiring caused the lights to go out. Another antonym could be disconnection. The power outage was due to a disconnection in the main supply line. A third antonym, especially when considering the idea of a completed round trip, is straight line. Instead of taking a circuitous route, they traveled in a straight line to save time. Another antonym to consider is interruption. For example, you could say, the electrical circuit experienced an interruption, causing the computer to shut down. Finally, another good antonym is opening, as in, an opening in the circuit prevented the current from flowing. So, how can we use circuit in everyday life? Well, you might say something like, the car's electrical circuit is malfunctioning, or I need to complete a circuit of the park to get my daily exercise. You could also use it figuratively. For instance, my mind is racing. I can't seem to break the circuit of worrying thoughts. It also appears in common expressions. For example, short circuit, which means a failure in an electrical circuit that allows a high current to flow. You can also use the phrase on the circuit, referring to a schedule of regular appearances or events. Now, let's solidify our understanding with some more usage examples. The engineer carefully inspected the printed circuit board. The roller coaster follows a thrilling circuit of twists and turns. The international tennis circuit is highly competitive. The power plant provides electricity to homes through an extensive circuit. The detective pieced together the circuit of events leading up to the crime. The short circuit caused a small fire in the kitchen. He's a comedian who's always on the comedy circuit. The computer's circuit board was damaged by the power surge. They drove a long circuit around the city to avoid the traffic. The rumor made its circuit through the office in a matter of hours. Now, to recap, we've learned that a circuit is a circular path or an electrical route. We explored synonyms like loop, path, route, cycle, and course. We also looked at antonyms such as break, disconnection, straight line, interruption, and opening. We saw how circuit is used in everyday conversations and in common expressions. And we examined various examples to solidify our understanding. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word circuit helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word circuit and share it as a comment under this episode. We'd love to see your creativity. Until next time, happy learning!